The constant sound in our home was my father's typewriter, his little portable Hermes Yiddish typewriter. It's a really cherished relic in our home now because I so associate it with my father. We grew up in a very small apartment, a one-bedroom apartment on West 71st Street. My sister and I shared a bedroom. My parents slept on a convertible sofa in the living room, which was also de facto my father's office. So he had a desk in the corner, and whatever was going on in the house at any given time, whether Esty and I were watching Popeye the Sailorman on TV or quarreling with each other as brothers and sisters always used to do, there would be the sound of my father's clopping on the Yiddish typewriter. He would write with one finger like this, and he was very, very fast. When did he write? My feeling was he always was writing. There were no office hours observed. He was likely to be writing in the evening as during the day, just pecking away at that typewriter.